Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today, 2 items. We'll look at this one first. I wanted an AM radio. Lid Motor uses one to check on his electronic circuits, pulse motors, that sort of thing. You can hear them clicking away if you use an AM radio. I bought a radio last year, it'll be now, but it was FM, whereas this one says AM and FM. With mini torch. Oh wow. AM FM sports radio. £8. Yeah. Cost me £1 in the charity shop. They actually had 2 of them, but I only bought one. I guess we might as well see if it works. I expect these are old stock that didn't sell somewhere or other in a shop. Oh yeah, there's a light. 2 AA batteries, 3 AA batteries. No, that's not AA. That's AAA, isn't it? Oh no, that is AA. Oh, right. Well, I'm sure I read 2 AA on it, so I've only picked up 2 batteries. Let's go and get another one. I didn't actually check whether these were any good. They were just ones that were laying around. Well, torch has come on. It's obviously designed to catch somebody's attention. It looks like a walkie-talkie, doesn't it? Right, so we don't want the light on. I bet there's nothing in there. Oh, headphone socket. AM, FM. It's on FM at the moment. Okay. FM works. Let's try AM. Turn it right up.
Influence on my music in a couple of weeks.
I'll tell you what, it actually works.
No, it was also Islamophobia. That is abject.
Well, that's a bit of a turn up. I really didn't expect it to be any good. Yeah, I can't really test it for what I want to use it for at the moment. We'll have to save that for some other time. But yeah, I'm surprised.
In the United States, I was reading some articles about today.
I'm quite surprised it's picking up anything on AM anyway. It is. Right, we'll turn that off. So, £1. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, and then the other thing, I picked this up. Yeah, £1.99, Age UK. I was looking at it and I'm thinking it's quite possible that it might actually have a motor in it and drive forwards. It's got an on-off button, and in there, let's put the light on. We can see the battery terminals look pretty rough, and there must be a slide-in box to hold the batteries. It wants 2 AA's. But I thought we could take that one apart and see if we can, well, probably have to replace the terminals. They might be cleanable. I could just try putting a couple of AA's in there anyway and put a strap across the end of them. And which way is off and on? That feels like a 3-position one. I'll get some batteries. Alright, if I just scrape well, that actually looks like I thought it had been eaten right away, but I can see some shiny brass in there. Oh, lost my battery. Right, so that one's going to be that way round. Oh, that's all right. That's going to be that way round. Right, nothing there. Move it that way. Nothing there. So we're either not making good enough contact, or something else needs doing to it. All those batteries are no good. We should be able to measure something. We go on to current flow. Nah, not getting anything there. There is no guarantee that we're making a good contact in there, though. How about measuring resistance instead? Well, I can't get me probe in far enough. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, can we get that to make contact? Stuff that way in there. Nothing like that. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's going to be an easy fix. Screw there, screw there, screw under there. How are we doing? 10 minutes. Right, okay, we'll stop there and I'll do a separate video for a teardown. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.